This is a guide on how you can report someone on Reddit. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, this is the homepage of Reddit. You're gonna scroll down and let's just say this is the post that you don't like, and if there's something wrong with this post, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the three dots. After that, click on report. So on this page you'll see a lot of options and you're gonna choose one of them. So let's just say in your video or your picture, whatever it is, or your post, I mean, if your post has someone sharing someone else's personal details, so you can click on this one, sharing personal information, this one, and after that you're gonna click on next. After that, it's asking you if the information is about you or someone else. So if it's about someone else, you're gonna choose that, someone else's. After that, click submit, and that's it. After that, you get the option to block the user, but it's totally up to you if you want to do it. And yeah, that's about it. That's how you report someone on Reddit.